One of the biggest causes of battery drain in Tesla is Sentry Mode. While it's great for security, leaving it on 24/7, especially in safe location, can cost you a lot of range. Here's how to fix it and save your battery. Let's begin. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got all Sentry important information and settings, but let me show you how to get access to this tab. Let's start, for example, by using the car icon right here. As you can see, the information about the settings pops up. Then you should scroll down and choose the safety. Here you've got a few important Sentry settings that you can change, but the most important one for us is exclusion. So you can add some exclusions. You can exclude home, exclude work, and exclude favorite. So what you basically did, you just telling your Tesla, I trust this location. The car will automatically disable Sentry Mode the moment you park at home, at work, or in your favorite places. This prevents the car from staying awake all night, which can save you anywhere from 3 to almost 10% of your battery every single day. So, but wait, how to know Tesla where is your home and where is your work? Let me just show you. If you open the navigation, you can check out this home icon and you should see your home. So the car should automatically know where your home is, but you can also set it up lately. You can also check out here the work icon and you can add your work address. For example, in my case, let me use this one and use save as work. Alright, you can also add the favorites. So how to add the favorites? Let's just type in some location. For example, in my case, it could be the IKEA. Okay. As you can see here, we've got the location, and if you tap here on this icon, let me just do it, you should see the following information, and you can use the star icon to add to the favorites. You can choose here add to favorites and you just add the IKEA to favorites. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.